So friends, today tutorial is about how to create external Radius server and manage your clients through that Radius server. So let's go and see how we can do this. First we have to install, there are two ways to install Radius server. One is you can make a computer and turn into a Radius server, full computer. Second number way is you can install virtual PC on your computer or laptop, and then you can convert that virtual PC, then you can install the Radius server on the virtual PC. So here we will use the method number 2, that we will install Radius server on virtual PC. So let's go. So this is I'll use the VMware virtual machine. Here we will go to this new, go to file, new virtual machine, typical next. I'll select this. I will select this. I will install operating system later. Next. Okay, Linux, Ubuntu. Next. Virtual machine, I'll keep it Radius, console Radius. Next, finish. So it's been created. Now we'll go to edit tab. Here go to CD DVD, use ISO image, click on this, browse. We have already downloaded the ISO file for the Radius server. Go to here, Radius 2. Okay, so now we will start the virtual machine. Okay, so here we have to select enter, install SaaS Radius, enter. So installation is going on. It will take another few minutes. In this Radius server, you will get so many facilities, like you have SMS facilities is there, email facilities is there, reporting, very good reporting system is there. So I have personally used this Radius for so many clients, and they are very happy with this Radius server, and they are very much recommended this Radius server to other clients too. So you can use this as an excellent software. So friends, let it complete, then we will go further. Once this installation of Radius server is completed, then we will talk about its features. What can this Radius server do for you? so many clients are using this Radius server in their network, and it's running absolutely fine with no problems. Even you can try try this Radius server in your network, and I promise you it is excellent software. It will not, So friends, here the credential pages has come. So login username is SAS, password is default password is SAS123. So the installation process has been completed. So now we have to configure the connectivity part. Between external Radius server and Mikrotik. So let's go to Mikrotik. So IP address. See, for a Radius server we can give IP from this pool. For local address we can give IP, but this will not be a very good solution from the point of security, right? So we will declare a different pool for the Radius server. So for that we have to go to IP, and it is a very good practice for security point of view. So we have to go to IP address. We have to click on plus sign, and we will declare a different IP for Radius server. That will be 192.168.15.1 / I'll keep it 30, only 2 IP. The Ethernet interface is bridge 1. Apply. Okay. So 2 IP we will use for Radius server only. Next, so the 15.1 will be the gateway for a Radius server. Okay, so now we have to put IP address for Radius server now. So we have to go to Radius server, IP address of Radius server. Now we have to go to network. Here we have to put host name gateway. Gateway is the IP address through which this Radius server will communicate. that will be 192.168.15.1. This is the gateway of Radius server. DNS is default DNS 8.8.4.4. now click on tab and add a interface, Ethernet 1, Ethernet 0, sorry, IP. This is the IP address of Radius server itself. So Radius server IP address will be 192.168.15.2 and subnet will be 255.252 because you know about the subnet mask. Okay, so it's been done. The IP configuration of Radius server has been done. Now we have to check whether it is working or not. So we have to go to terminal. Let's ping the Radius server IP 192.168. Oh god, 192.168.15.2. This is the IP address of Radius server. Not working. 15.1 IP address and 15. Okay, let me check 15.1 is working or not. Yeah, it's working. 15.2. 15.2 is not working. Let's go to network. Okay. So we have to restart our Radius server once, reboot. Okay. So let's wait for to start the Radius server after restart. Started, so let's check the ping. Still it's time out. Now see, the ping is coming, so it's been connected to the Radius server. Now we have to go to Radius and click on the plus sign, and here we have to change something. What service we need from Radius? We need PPP and hotspot. This IP address, the IP address of the Radius IP address is 192.168.15.2. Protocol is UDP, secret, whatever use you you can use your, this is a password, 2 3 4 5 6. I'll keep it simple, apply, okay, that's it. Now you have to go to incoming, you have to accept, and you have to put this port 1700, apply, okay. This been done from your Mikrotik point. Okay, now you have to go to PPP. Yeah, you have authenticate, you have to authenticate PPP server here. So you have to go to secret, PPP authentication and accounting, click on this, use radius, okay, apply, okay. And now you have to go to IP hotspot and server profile. In server profile you have to go to radius and click on this and click on this accounting, apply, okay. So Mikrotik part is over. Now the browser and put IP address of radius server 2.168.15.2, enter. Okay, now this portal will come, put your username is admin, default username is admin, default password is admin 1. So this is the dashboard of your external radius server. Here you can manage your user credentials, profile details and all. So here you have to go to NAS. Here you have to declare your router connectivity, right? So action new name, your Mikrotik name. Suppose I'll choose Mikrotik Rampur. IP address of the Mikrotik 92.168.15.1. Secret 1 2 3 4 5 6. Generically Mikrotik version will be higher than Mikrotik 3.6.3.6. API username. API username I have created. I hope. Let me see. System user console is created. So reset the password, console. Username and console and password is console. So here we have to put console and password is console. Okay, incoming port is 1700. Site will be any HTTP port, accounting, all will be in default. API port. API port is this. IP services, this port 8728. Okay, that's it. Submit. So this is the configuration. Okay, this secret. So there is no secret. This is the password of router. So there is no password. See what is required. Okay. Now we have to. 1 to 6, yeah. One, two, three, four, five, 6. So it's been connected to my router. So let's go to user and make a user. Let's go to profile and make a profile list. It's a default profile. So for create a new profile, go to action, new profile name, suppose 15 Mbps, 1 month. Say this is the profile. Price I'll put 600 maybe. You can put whatever price you want. The download rate is Mbps, so 15,000 equal to 15. Prepaid, to describe it, and limit. So limit expiration, once 1 month is over, so this limit expiration will work. Okay, 1 month, every 1 month this package will expire, every 1 month. Okay, so everything will be by default IP NAS will take. Okay, or everything will be default. Okay, you just submit. The profile has been created here. Now let's go to user and create a user. Action, new username. Here username is, suppose, uh, 123. Username, password is 123. Whatever username, 123. Service profile is 15 Mbps. Let's see this. Okay, you have to put all these details. Suppose whatever you want, as per the customer details. RAM, company email. So put all these details. Expiration date is mentioned here. I'll tell you how to do this. One session is allowed. So user type is regular user. So 123 user created here. The status green is mean it's been created and active, but it's not online. When it is online, it will be blue. Let's see the expired date. Expired date is today and now. So we have to recharge it, right? So recharge it, we have to go to user, activate, click on the activate and see this date, today's date. And once I activate this, it will be increased by 1 month. Activate, see, increased by 1 month. So it will valid till 1 month. So let's go to user and make a so let's go to and make a login with this username. Username was 123, password was 123. Okay, see, you are connected with IP address is. So here you can do the speed test and see whether you are getting as per your plan or not, getting the speed as per your plan or not. Go. Our plan was 15 Mbps upload speed and upload speed what 15 Mbps. So let's check whether we are getting 15 Mbps or not. It is working absolutely okay and fine, running okay. See, one user is online. Go to user, online user. You can see the user, how many upload and downloads, what is the plan, IP address, MAC address, uptime and the device name. Now here let's make a PPE username and connect a PPE user. So for that we have to go to action, next. Okay, PPE user was let's say 456 and password is 456 profile. So let's make a profile first, different profile. Action, new profile name is $20 Mbps 1 month plan. Okay. Price was say 1,000 rupees, 20,000 kbps. Okay, limit expiration you have to put 1 month. Submit. This plan has been created, 20 MB 1 month. So let's go to user list, add a user. Let's make a username Sham. Password is 123. Service profile, it will be 20 Mbps 1 month. Okay, next no need to configure anything. Now you have to put all these details as per the documents, and now you have to put user, regular user, submit. Now you have to go to SAM, you have to activate the plan, activate. Now you can so 2 user has been created, one is online, 2 user is active user. So let's go to connect that PPV client and check whether it is working or not. Connect. Username was Sam, password was 123. Okay, yeah, see, this is connected, right? So let's go to here, let's press it. See, 2 user is online. Let's go to user, online user. See, the Sam is online, right? Sam's IP address, you remember we have declared a different IP subnet for PPV clients. See here, this PPV clients got a different IP address from different subnet, right? So the plan was 20 Mbps for PPV client. Now you can see how much is getting through speed test. Yeah, it's pretty much okay. Good. So you can see, so we have created hotspot user through Radius server, we have created PPV user through Radius server, and both the user is working. And now I will mention one thing, that here you will get SMS facility. Once the customer is activate their plan, they will get SMS. So SMS facilities is there, SMS service, email service is there. So this very important services is there. You can configure them as per your wish. Payment gateway is also there. PayPal, you can use PayPal. It's a global payment gateway platform. You can use this. So it's a very useful, friendly Radius server. You can use it in your network and run your business through this. If you need any help to configure this, you can contact us. We are here to help you. And if you have any queries, if you have any questions, just let us know through comment box, so that we can solve your problem if you have come across. So till then, goodbye.